Hey, what's going on everyone? So in this video we'll be talking about the upcoming Redmi Note 10 Pro. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. My name is Sobik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Going by word on the grapevine, Xiaomi is set to unveil a new Redmi smartphone this month. The device in question will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity chipset and should be affordable in typical Xiaomi fashion. Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 9 Pro in early March and is already working on the successor to the phone, the Redmi Note 10 Pro. If recent reports are anything to go by, it appears the launch of the new Redmi Note 10 Pro may be at hand too. According to the top tipster digital chat station, Xiaomi is set to launch a new Redmi phone. The new Redmi phone will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity chipset. MediaTek's Dimensity series typically battles against Qualcomm Snapdragon's 700 series, which is a good clue that the Redmi phone in question will be an upper mid-range phone. You can see the snapshot of his Twitter account on the screen. There have been rumors of a Dimensity 820 in the Redmi Note 10. It's more likely, however, that the phone is actually the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Xiaomi is unlikely to use such a powerful chipset on the regular Note 10. Supposedly, the MediaTek Dimensity powered Redmi phone will be launched this month. Of course, there is a chance of all of this is wrong and the phone will actually be the upcoming Redmi K30 Ultra. Fingers crossed. Now let's talk about the rumored specs of Redmi Note 10. The Redmi Note 10 specs are expected to remain mostly the same with the multiple upgrades in terms of hardware. The Redmi Note 10 will feature a quad camera setup instead and is expected to continue with a hole punch design on the Redmi Note 10. Redmi Note 10 will probably be powered by a Dimensity 820 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and MIUI powered Android 10 OS. Dimensity 820 could only power the Redmi Note 10 Chinese variant. In India, Redmi Note 10 may come with a different processor given 5G availability will take time. Redmi Note 10 will probably have a similar set of features with a more or less same design language. Coming to the battery, Redmi Note 10 will fit in a smaller size battery with the support of 22-watt fast charging this time. The just launched Redmi Note 9 features a 5020 mAh battery with support of 22-watt fast charging with similar features as the Globe variant with MediaTek Helio G85 powering the smartphone. So that is all for today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, then a like will be appreciated and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.